Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On April 24th, His Excellency Muhammet Sanad Al Kubaýsini, Vice-President of UAE Cycling Federation, and Mr. Süleýman Al Hammadini, Captain of Al-Watba cycling team, visited Ashgabat seeking opportunity for cooperation between the two countries in the field of cycling sport. Delegation was welcomed by the State Committee for Physical Culture and Sport of Turkmenistan. During the visit, Al-Watba team rode with the cycling community here in Turkmenistan and also with the national cycling team of Turkmenistan. UAE delegation had a chance to visit the Olympic sport facilities, indoor track, rehab center, national carpet museum, and horse breeding complex for Turkmenistan. Leadership of UAE spreads the culture of sports as a lifestyle to improve health and promote fitness, caring about the welfare of the nation. The government provides the finest and safest infrastructure and facilities for cyclists, such as Yas Marine Circuit, Al-Wathba cycling track, Nadd al-Shiba, and also Al-Qudra cycling track. In total, there are 5,829 cycle routes in UAE. Since cycling is getting more and more popular in UAE, we have both social teams for amateurs and cycling clubs for professionals to take part of the cycling events. Being awarded Bike City status, Abu Dhabi will host again UCI Urban Cycling World Champions in 2024 and UCI Gran Fondo World Champion in 2028. Also, thanks to the new biggest virtual cycling championship provided by My Watch platform, online riders worldwide can compete for a total 1 million prize. I am also proud to mention UAE Team Emirates. Not only they bring UAE to the international stages as a participant of the most prestigious races around the world, but also help to develop competitive cycling in UAE. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to His Excellency Sardar Bardi Mohammedov, the President of Turkmenistan and Head of Olympic Committee. And also I would like to thank the authority for supporting the delegation during their stay here in Ashgabat. And also I would like to wish Turkmen people strong health, prosperity, and luck while participating in the international sport events. Thank you for your attention, and I would like to invite you to watch a short video.